clearly Gurobi has become the market leader, definitely. So that's a fact. And regarding its support, I really must say the support is outstanding.
I can say the numbers are increasing, the volume is getting bigger, the competition is getting harder every day. There are also sustainability issues that you need to consider. If you want to be alive in this industry, especially in this competitive environment, you need to be more and more efficient. And if you need to be more and more efficient, then you need to optimize your processes.
We get valuable insights here from all the partners, but also from the technical team of Gurobi and the business team of Gurobi, and that helps us to help our customers.
If you consider that our product solutions are tailor-made and span the globe in over 60 countries to serve the most modern industries, then you realize that optimization will always be our core challenge in every aspect of operation.
We are so thrilled that we can showcase our customers in terms of the fantastic and great work that they've done. Our customers are at the forefront of really making the world a better place.
What we're trying to achieve here is making sure that people see the value that mathematical optimization and decision intelligence is bringing to their businesses.